right?
Happy birthday to the best wife in the world.
And thank you for my best party I've ever had.
You're welcome.
All right. Shaw. Bumba Clyde.
Babe, stop it. Babe, behave yourself. I do. I teach him.
Baby got her own wine glass and everything her birthday.
You done created a whole monster, sir. My husband eating his dinner. Keyshia Davis. Jerk chicken spice.
Enough with the girls, girl, I don't got no time.